Hi, I wanted to talk about forgiveness again today. A Course in Miracles says that forgiveness offers everything that I want: peace of mind, tranquility of spirit, beauty, and beyond. And it really is quite amazing, although not always easy. So, when you receive the email from a colleague that is sharp and condescending, that doesn't feel good. However, being able to forgive and release is actually freeing. And that goes for larger situations as well. And obviously, some very big hurts happen in the world. And the forgiveness doesn't mean that the action that happened was okay. It means that you're not willing to have it affect you anymore. And it is really a big turning point. I'm wishing peace for all of you. Forgiveness may be the key.